Hallo leerders, welkom by week 2 se sigvore. Vandag gaan ons hierdie woorde saam lees en oefen, sodat julle dit vinnig en maklik kan herken. Today we are going to practice our week 2 sight words, so that you can recognize them quickly and easily. Kom ons begin. It's something. Eie, own. Vrou, woman. Blou, blue. Soek is to search or look for. Nooit, never. Mooi, pretty. Hulle, they. Julle, you guys. Wou, wanted. Nou is dit jou beurt. Probeer nou om al die sigvore self te sê. Hoe vinnig kan jy dit reg kry? Now it's your turn. Try to say the sight words by yourself. How fast can you say them? Baie mooi. Hou aan oefen elke dag, dan gaan hierdie sigvore sommer maklik raak. Sien julle volgende keer. Well done. Keep practicing every day and these sight words will become easy. See you next time.